Let's just see. It looks really good. The sound is really. What are we looking for? Oh, a lighter? I think it is real. I saw the hand. I think it is real. Yo, why are we going into a forest at this kind of hour? I'm gonna get scared again. Still, yeah, it's still a video. Yeah, that's why you should not go into a forest at this kind of hour. Its own completely. Oh, oh. Okay, there we go. This is bothering me. Okay, I'm gonna play it in the dark. Yeah, I can finally move. Oh, okay. I think it was still out. Freaking out, he's freaking out. He saw his friend disappear.
Hi, my name is Connor. I'm a video game developer, and since around the start of 2022, it'd be my sophomore year of college, I
Mm-hmm.
have been developing a video game called Project Songbird. What you're about to play today, while yes, is a demo for Project Songbird, it's not a demo in the traditional sense. While there is content from the final release of the game in this teaser, a vast majority of what you're about to play is original content created for the sole purpose of this demo. And I really hope that it gives you an idea of what I want this game to be.
So he just made a second game while making the first game. You're okay?
I really hope that you enjoy.
You cannot say that.
Okay, yeah, that's him.
Bro, you cannot say that and give me a door where I was. We love the atmosphere, definitely. Oh, there's an invisible wall here. Oh, I should have taken a step back. Oh, is my PC fine running this? And there's no. Oh, here we go. Where are my subtitles? I mean, it's fine. Let's do that off. Blur. I like the bloom though. Yeah, look. Oh, you have to be kidding me. Let me wait. I cannot flashlight myself. Take. You have to be kidding me, guys. At least I see more. Okay.
This. This is what I'm most afraid of.
My subtitles are not yellow.
You need to know how little control they truly have. How little control I have. What? What did you do to their face?
What do you mean? Part one. Yo, we have find the photograph. Why are you telling me to run? Open the door. This is where I came from. Why is it red over there? Oh, yo, you did that. You did the atmosphere perfectly. Oh, God, my frame. Thank you for giving me unlimited. I don't want to keep going if you guys are whispering in my ears. Oh, oh, I saw the red. Oh, here's the door. But we don't have the key, right? Oh, oh, here you go. One of three. Is it Slenderman? Okay, going. I don't know if it's the how do you say that? The film, the black up and down. I thought it would bother me, but it doesn't. It doesn't bother me. Girl, you cannot do that to me. Girl, you cannot do that to me. It's after 10 a.m. 10 a.m. 10 p.m. I cannot scream. My neighbors are gonna be mad at me. Oh, this is where we started. Oh yeah. Oh, I was I was like, oh, there's a tree here. Maybe I cannot go this way. That's the only thing. I thought we need the key for here, not for that other door. I want to go here. Oh, oh, oh! I thought they. Are you gonna give guys? There's an arm. There's an arm here. I don't. I don't. Oh, it's not a real arm. Okay. Ooh, nothing that makes it any more better. But if that is one, where are the photos? Oh, uh, I'm like waiting for a face to see. Where's the last photo? Bonk. My head. Oh. Like I'm like prepared. Oh my god, I'm like prepared. So, like someone jumping on me. That's what I feel like is gonna happen. Okay, girl. I have another photo for you. Enough mannequin arm. And you know these tree benches? I think there's gonna be someone there. Hmm. Do you like um oh uh-oh. Flashlight is not the time. Is that a bullet? Okay, I don't see anything else. Oh my god, get me out of here. I'm gonna turn off the music a little bit for me. Yeah, 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 give me this. Somebody gonna kill me now? No? Oh my god! I think that was just the bird. I think that was just the bird. Alright, so do I have the inventory? No. There's do we have wait. Settings? Controls. Reload. Reload. I don't like that we can reload. What does it mean? We're missing one photo and we're missing the key. We have an arm. We have a bullet. No. What are you doing? Why are you doing that every time? Nothing. I really don't know what to do. I don't want to give up, but I'm so tempted to give up on horror games. Saving myself. Oh, I thought maybe we should go from here. Oh, I really don't know. Oh. I need a hint. Settings, controls. Use painkillers. We don't have that. Equip items. 1, 2, 3. Focus. Quick turn. Oh, whoa. Quick turn. Oh, I never. Oh my god. Okay. I really don't know what to do. Girl, it took so long. Let's leave. Good job, but I really don't know. The thing is, I also don't know where the other photo is. Might I don't know. God, it's really good looking game, but I don't hear the voices anymore for the final. I don't have the key. I really don't know what to do. Go back one more time over here. Episode washing and doing the hair. Oh, okay. Blow drying, also braiding them in 3 braids. Okay. He did a lot. Okay. I didn't think he would do that much. Can I go here? No, I can't. Oh, there's no, I think so. Oh, those light textures were a little bit wrong over here. Or it's just me playing in front of the light. Oh, damn, I wish I knew what to do. Help. Help, I don't know. Oh my god, those birds are scaring me. I went there. Oh, I swear this wasn't here. I swear it wasn't here when I was looking. Okay. Am I safe? I think I'm safe. This is a safe place. This is a safe place. Maybe not a safe place. I'm gonna be scared. Oh my god. Part 2. Guys, find his painting. Oh. Flashlight. That scared the shit out of me. It scared the shit out of me. If you could see. Why did she do that? Oh. Okay. Good evening, gamers. Good evening. Good evening. Ported. Yo, I went like this. I legit went like whoop. Oh, there's the door with the eye. Guys, there are mannequins over there. I am so close closing this game of how scared I am. I'll have to put his painting over here. Oh! Oh, I thought we had to go back over there. Okay. Oh, look, look. His apps disappeared. Look, it disappeared in the game. Hmm. You guys are not gonna scare me, right? Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, we'll go here. Hey. Why? Or maybe we won't be going there. Okay, why did I do this to myself? Nobody asked me to play this. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go for a horror game experience. Because I wanna torture myself. You know what? Yeah, let's go here first. Don't give me this. Painkillers. Why is there boom? Why does it say boom? Oh god. My frames are killing me. Eggs? Um. Wait. 3, 4, 5. Okay, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Guys, there's something there. Something went into the. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Here you go, bro. Okay. How are you? How are you, Consta, bro? Don't do that. Don't. 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 Oh my god. I'm telling you, I love that escape button. I'm telling you. God, it went through me. The door went through me. They're gonna change. They're gonna change the background. They're gonna change the background. Okay. They didn't change the background. I'm gonna close my eyes. I'm gonna close my eyes. I'm gonna close my eyes. Let me go. Let me in. I am. This is why I don't play horror games. It scared the shit out of me. Another one? Oh, my door disappeared. Guys, let me out. Let me out. Part 3. Oh my god, a mannequin. Open the trunk? I don't know if I want to open the trunk, to be honest. Guys, survive. Survive. It says survive. Survive. I'm closing the game right now. Closing the game right now. I'm closing the game. I'm closing the game. The developer knew what they did there. The developer knew what they did there. Stop! That's scary. What if I don't pick it up? Alright. Do you want to play it? I give you my keyboard. Go play it. No. I feel like I'm at the end. I feel like I'm at the end. Wait, this is block? Wait, hold on. Settings, controls. Track, crouch, reload. Oh my. Use item is click. Okay. There's a corner. There's a corner. Okay. Oh, oh no, my heartbeat spiked at 112. It's closed. It's closed. It's closed. Guys, I don't want to play this anymore. But if I don't go there and don't go here, where the fuck should I go? You know what? This is the game. This is the game. I'm fine with it. I didn't see anything scary. Um, I'm really comfortable over here because at this point there will be something there. I know, but the fact that you can hide is another thing. I'm like, oh, maybe they're gonna come right now, right? Will there be something? I'm like waiting. Let me look at the store page. Oh, there are two endings. Oh, what should I do? But I came from here. Oh, I should go here. The fact that I can hide. Like, I didn't think I could hide. What if there's no monster? What if it's all in my head? There's like, wait, settings, controls, C. Where's my C? No, I cannot use C. This is where I came from, bro. Help! 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 I saw. Yeah, I also saw it. I also saw it. Came back. It comes back. You know what? You know what? I'm done with the game. I'm done with the game. I'm done with the game. I'm legit done. It's too scary for me. It's too scary for me. It's too scary for me. I can't. Guys, I really try. I really try. It's gonna come back. Right? Yeah, look, it's coming back. so it does see me. Yep. I'm totally fine at ending it here, guys. 10 out of 10 game. If it ever end the run. Girl, I can't. I've been s- I've already been scared like 2 times today. Like, I can't take it anymore. I cannot take it. Yo, bro. Okay, fine. Okay. It's not working. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. I tried. I tried. I tried, guys. I tried. I thought I could kill it. What is he doing? Okay, you know what? Bro, hug me. Oh god. Oh god. I thought I was safe. Oh. Oh, he saw me. He saw me. He saw me. He saw me. Where should I go? Where should I go? Where should I go? But how? I don't have anything. It's right there. Oh god, Jesus! Oh, there are two! There are two! There are two! I tried. Guys, we didn't win. God. Oh! Oh? You did your best? Yeah. What's this? Guys, I failed. No, I don't want to do this again. I don't want to do this again. It's really good. It's really good. I just don't know what to do. That's the sad part about it. Damn, it was really good. I didn't know there were two. I thought there was only one. At least I managed to go out. It's really good. The atmosphere that the developer wanted. I think they outdone themselves, to be honest. So yeah, I'm gonna suggest this to Yuri too, and also maybe to Lav. He could beat it for me, right? Yeah, sure. Let's see. Should we also suggest it to a movie? She loves horror games, right?